Today is really exciting. We got this really big ice storm today. Look. I'm standing right out. Anyway, we got this really big ice storm and everything is ice. So me and my friend Axel, who is somewhere, are going to take our 2 awesome sleds and go sledding. Yay! Axel! Just hold on a second. Axel! What? Come on and introduce yourself. Hi. He just woke up and had a soda. So you'd think he'd be. Whatever, I talk too much. Okay, here is the sled we are going to be sledding at. It's not actually that big. It's really that big. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Here we are, finally at the top of this hill. It took us forever to climb this thing. So I didn't think it'd be good if I kept the camera on because it'd be out of battery by now. Hey bro! Yeah? What's the name of this hill anyway? It looks really steep. I don't know. I'll go take a look. Oh, look, a sign. What's it say? The Hill of Death? Ah! Oh man, you're just a scaredy cat. This hill is so gonna lame me to death. That's not a word. Whatever. Okay, I called Snowflake Sled. Yeah, that's the cheaper one anyway. Okay, let's see if I can get in this thing. You're sitting in it the wrong way. Whatever. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is Sparta! Ow. Oh my gosh, man, are you okay? Yeah. I think I just broke my spine, my neck, my wings, my head, and even my hair. How do you break your hair?